So now we will work on some interesting puzzles involving addition subtraction, and the name of this puzzle is called cryptorhythm. What basically it means is that some of the digits in addition, subtraction or multiplication of two or more numbers, they have been replaced by some English alphabets, right? And the game requires you to find those missing numbers, okay? So first let me give you a very simple puzzle. It is B5 and the another number is 1A. Addition of two-digit numbers, right? And this addition results into 50. Your task is to find the missing number A and the missing number B. So starting from the rightmost digits, I'll say that there is a digit 5. Added to something, it results in a number that has a 0 in one's place, okay? Now you see that the number 5 is already bigger than 0, right? So very obvious choice is 5 plus 5 makes 10. There is no other number when added to 5 will give you a 0 in one's place, right? So now you have a 0 in one's place. That means my potential for A is equal to 5, right? But when you put 5 here and you add to 5, you get 10. 0 comes here, but 1 goes right up on the 10th digit, right? And then you have three numbers here, a B, 1 and 1. Sum of all of this should be equal to 5, right? Now 1 plus 1 plus B is equal to 5, right? And that is a very simple thing to understand. Then B has to be 3 because 3 and 1 make 5. So that is as simple as that. This number is 3. So A is 5 and B is 3. So now let us replace these two numbers, this A and B, and see whether do we get the same result or not. So that gives me 35 plus 1 is 1 and A is 5. So 35 plus 15 is of course 50. So yeah, that works, right? The next puzzle is there are three single digit numbers. Each one of those digits is represented by a letter P. And the sum of this results into QP. Okay, interesting one, right? So we have three one-digit numbers. They all added up together result into a two-digit number. The ones digit of that is the same thing as the original number that we are adding. Okay. Well, let's play a little bit. Let's say this number P is equal to 1. Okay. In that case, you will say that 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. First of all, that is wrong because this is not the same as this number, right? So that won't work. How about I pick number 9? Okay, if it is 9 and 9 and 9, it has to be added together. It gives you 27. But this 7, which is in one's digit, is not the same as this 9, right? So this won't work either, right? What is it that one number that when you add odd number of times gives you the same number in one's place? The answer is the number 5 because when you add 5 one times, it gives you 5. When you add 5 three times, it gives you 15. When you add 5 times, it gives you 25. See, each time you are getting the same number that you have been adding multiple number of times, but that same number appears in the ones place, right? So this P is of course 5. So in that case, when I replace P with 5, I get 5 plus 5 plus 5 and it gives me 15, right? Now this satisfies my original condition, the original puzzle here, right? So that means the answer to this puzzle is P is equal to 5 and Q is equal to 1. As simple as that, right? So now I'm going to take a little bit longer problem. So my next number is 41A, a three-digit number added with another number that is C, B and 4. Added together it gives you 606. What is C and B and A? Okay. So let's work on it. I will begin as usual from my rightmost digit. So the first thing is that I know that what added to 4 gives you 6. The answer is very simple. All I have to do is replace A with 2. That will give you 4 and 2 will make 6, right? So I got my number A equal to, right? Now for the second one, in this one, we have a number 1 and B added together to give you a number such as 0. But 1 is already bigger than 0, right? That means you need to find a number when added to 1 gives you a 0 in its 10th place. So the answer seems to be very simple that you have 1 here and I need a 0 in the addition, the only way left for me is to add a 9 into it, right? Only then I get a 0 here because the new number will be 10. That gives me 0 in ones place, right? So I will replace b with 9. So let me put 9 here. So b is 9, right? When you do that, you get a 0 here, but this 0 also has one that needs to be carried forward to the next digit, right? So now you have 4 and 1 and c. Together, all of them should give you, I'm at this step now, together all of them should give you a 6 as a result. Now this one is rather simple because 4 and 1 is 5, and when you add 1 at the bottom, it gives you 6. That means what? My number c is equal to 1, and we had the number b, which was in the middle, that is equal to 9. So these are my three missing numbers, right? So cryptorhythm, as fancy as the name sounds, these puzzles are very interesting, and in fact, they create a fun part in mathematics. And once you know the trick that go one step at a time, start from right, start from left, doesn't matter, as long as you solve this puzzle of finding the alphabet and their replacement digits. Okay, so with that, let us pause here and learn more number games in our future tutorials.